Now then, just briefly, this is a Mark II Honda CRV 2005. Now we're having a problem with the brakes. Pedal felt a bit soggy, yeah, but if you held the pedal there, say in traffic or something, slowly the pedal would just continue down. And I had all sorts of people say all sorts of things like, oh, you've rebuilt the rear calipers and the seals would be leaking and everything, but the level was not going down, the level of the brake fluid. So I ended up swapping the master cylinder from the spare car, which is a 2003. No change. You know, you've got to bleed it all through, but there was no change. So, hunting around on YouTube, there was a guy, and it's a while ago, so I can't remember, and I apologise for that, but he had a Ford, and he was talking about this very same problem. So, I went to the 2003 spare car for the ABS unit. He was saying it's the ABS unit, one of the seals is leaking. Yeah, anyway, let's zoom down a bit. But effectively the 2003 car had a different ABS unit. So as you can see, this is the one they took out, and it's got 2 rows of pins. 2003 model, 3 rows of pins, so that was a bit of a blow. Anyway, I bought one off eBay. I didn't buy the cheapest, it was about £10 difference, but this looked a lot tidier and it had the right label on it and all that lot. Obviously they just chopped the cable, the hoses off. Those are the ones they chopped off, but I soaked them for an hour or so in some diesel before I undid those, made sure they all undid alright. Didn't take much to swap everything over, bled it through, and now we got perfect brakes. Yeah, they're really sharp. So there you go, I was suffering and struggling, and we were going all around the place, bleeding brakes and this and that, and then changing the master cylinder, because that's naturally what you would think would be the first thing to go. Yeah, and there was a comment somewhere, can't remember where, which said, when I ever service my brakes, I always push the cylinders back in on the calipers, the pistons, and I always undo the bleed nipple and push, and therefore you get that sort of bit of grungy brake fluid out of the system. But apparently, and I don't know whether this is true, but if you don't do that and just push the piston in, then that mucky fluid can find its way all the way back to the ABS unit. Dunno. I don't know how much volume is in some of these pipes, and the fact that the piston moves, say, I don't know, let's call it 8 mil maybe, when the pads are fairly worn. Is that enough to push that old fluid all the way back into the ABS unit? Who can tell, but that's the fix. Change the ABS unit if nothing else works, and it was instantaneously job fixed. What a relief. Hopefully this will help some people out. Please like, subscribe, all that lot, and if it does fix your car, then please donate. Right, catch up with you soon. Cheers.